Hello, wonderful people of God. I want to use this opportunity to encourage my fellow brothers and sisters out there. You know, if you are a woman, you'll be very familiar to this message that I want to talk about. And I want you to please, if you listen to this message, I don't want you to just listen to it and just dump the video. I want you to leave your opinion on the comment. Whether negative comment, whether positive comment, it doesn't matter. Just leave your opinion and share it so that your friends also can leave their opinion on the video. People of God, there is something I have noticed about women. When they are in relationship, they feel very relaxed once they already have the man, they already have children for the man, and they are already okay with the man. They no longer see any reason to be sexy for the man. They no longer see any reason to look good for the man. Some of them will just bring out one trouser, obuluku. They will just put on the obuluku trouser. Some of them will just go and look for wrapper and wrap it from the chest to the toe. Some of them will just leave their hair. Some of them will just look very tattered. Because why? They already have the man and they already feel the man already loves them. So there's no need for them to do anything to entice the man or to look sexy for the man because they already have the man. And then, when the man now end up cheating on them, then they get upset. Then they quit the relationship. Then after quitting the relationship, they say it's over. Then the man will go. Then the woman will go her way. Then that woman automatically will start looking good. That woman will begin to fresh up. That woman will begin to wear nice clothes. That woman will begin to fix her hair and begin to look beautiful. Again, because now she is looking to go into another relationship. So she now knows that she has to look good. Now, do you know that why is it that now that you've quit that relationship, you know that it takes looking good to keep a man or to attract a man to yourself? So in other words, it was you looking good that attracts that man into your life. So because you were looking good, looking fresh, like today bread, as the Nigerians say, the man got attracted to you. And the man talked to you and see you are a nice person. And the man fell in love. And you started dating and you started having children. Then you got relaxed. It does not matter. Even if you already have children with a man, it is still very important that you look good. I want you to understand, if you are a woman, wherever you are, hear the sound of my voice. It is part of God's will to look good. Every woman has to look good. Women are created to look good. It is not a crime to look good. And if you are looking good and people are jealous of you, let that be their headache. Let that be their problem. Let that be their issue. In fact, let that be their own malaria. But as for you, looking good is part of God's will. Look good, sister. For your husband, look good. Look fresh. Make sure that every day you look like fresh. You look fresh for your husband. Very important. It is good to look good. It is not a crime. Don't wait for your husband to cheat on you before you start looking good. Although I know there are men, no matter how looking good you are, no matter how fresh you are, no matter how nice you are, if they still want to cheat, they will still cheat because their cheating life is like a Bluetooth inside of them. Anywhere they get connection, the Bluetooth go on. Boom. But most men want to see you look good and look fresh. That does not mean it is what will make them love you. If they want to love you, they will love you. But looking good is very important. So I encourage you, my sister. It is my best sister. I encourage you. Looking good is very important. Look good for your husband. Look fresh for your husband. Let every day look like a fresh day for you and take him out for a date. Let every day look like you just know him, you just meeting him. Sometimes when we are told, put on mini skirt for him. Do something that when he sees you, he says, wow, it is not a crime to look good. So if you are a woman that you want to look good because now your partner has dumped you, he has now started going out with another woman, and now you want to go into another relationship, you are looking good, which means that you know the importance of looking good. That is why you now want to look good to attract another man to yourself. So if you still look good to attract another man to yourself, when that man come in and you start wearing the buluku again, and you start tying rapper again, that man will still go and cheat. Or that man, after some time, the man will look like he will think you are outdated. You have to be up to date. You have to look good. Very important. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't need millions of dollars, pounds to look good. It is not the name that you are putting on that will make you look good. It is you knowing how to dress. You can use $5 to make yourself look fresh. You can use $300 to make yourself look like mumu. It is not about the amount you spend in your clothes. It is you knowing how to look good. Sister, this message is for you. Please share it and encourage your brothers and sisters. Encourage your friends to share this video with their loved ones. Because every man wants to see the beauty of their wives, both the inside and the outside. People always say the beauty of a woman is in the inside. The beauty of a woman is in the inside. It is not your inside that will attract a man to you. It is your outside, your character, your behaviors from the outside that will attract the man to you before the man will start searching the inside. So people of God, I leave you with blessing. Share this video with friends and family, and God will bless you. Amen.